best Christmas ever.
Over the
Good.
toothbrush.
Just for the toothbrush.
What's this?
Oh, there you go.
Sasha! I got the Sasha! I wasn't quite expecting a shirt, but
What's that, Lexi?
Apple!
Wow, look on the other side.
Mom, can you hang on
Look
to
on
this?
the other side.
It's not open, it's just closed. Wow. Oh my gosh! Emma, look what she
Wow.
got. Zoobles.
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 Alexi's got Zoobles. Pretty cool, eh? Zoobles. Whoa. All right.
Hey, this is from Grandma and Granddad. Sounds
Okay.
like Lego.
Okay, well, I don't know, maybe it just broke. Maybe something was broken.
No.
It's
It's Lego. Lego Alien Conquest.
Oh, yes.
Cool.
I see. Oh, Nathan, this looks good.
Lego Alien Conquest.
Wow,
It
nice.
is for me.
Look.
Yeah.
It's the UFO. Yay!
Wow, nice. You've never had Alien Conquest. Hey, Nathan, you've never had Alien Conquest before, have you?
No, look, it actually sucks up the person.
Wow.
And like, it is my missile launches.
Wow. Can you say thank you to Grandma and Granddad?
Thank you. Just knew that was.
Great.
Because you my parents.
So this, it's like a totally new way of doing
Oh,